Hi everyone, welcome back to the module 2 in digital marketing course. So in this module, we're going to learn why digital marketing. So in the last module, that is module number 1, we learned what is digital marketing. Like we learned about the terms digital and marketing and traditional marketing and finally digital marketing. So in this module, we're going to learn why digital marketing, like what are the advantages of learning digital marketing, why you should learn digital marketing. So then better engagement with audience. So this people are staying in online, right? So everyone are in online. So using digital marketing, you can engage better with the audience and know exactly what their opinions and what they want, right? So building the product which benefits the user or which the user likes is has the more scope to make more profit, right? So it's a better engagement with audience because audience present or online and we do online marketing, so we can interact more with the audience than traditional marketing methods. So and the next one comes to the way people shop or buy has changed. It's true, right? In olden days we used to go shop by shop and we purchase everything, but now simply I'm using this phone and I'm opening Amazon or Flipkart, etc., and I'm seeing whatever I want. Like if I want to buy a watch, I'm going to Amazon or Flipkart, I'm searching for watch and then a lot of varieties, number of varieties, various ranges, various prices, various colors, A to Z are being displayed, right? So I can choose many. Like this is not possible in offline, right? Because in offline we confine the location to our geographic area. Like we may visit one or two shops and we can see the different models present there, and in those models we should select one. But online the choices become more, like we can choose from different things across the world. Within a few days that item will be delivered to your doorstep. So that is one of the main reason why you should start digital marketing. And then offline marketing is not as effective as it used to be. It's also true, right? Like before, offline marketing is more famous than online marketing because all are present more offline, and usage of mobile was not more in traditional days. But nowadays offline marketing is not as effective because people are not using any olden methods nowadays. They all are updating with the updating technology, right? So it's nothing makes sense if we still follow the old offline marketing. Like for example, newspapers, pamphlets, etc. These all are the offline marketing methods. But nowadays, the readership of the newspapers, magazines, pamphlets has reduced drastically. So nowadays, still using offline marketing is nothing makes sense. It's simply a waste of money, right? So that's why we should start digital marketing nowadays to get better results in terms of marketing. And then robust analytics and tracking. This is the main feature why you should do digital marketing, because in offline marketing we cannot track the audience. Like suppose in I have paid some money to billboards across the different cities, and I have purchased some pamphlets with some money. So I distributed the pamphlets and I also arranged the billboards. So some sales happened. Some customers came to my shop and purchase what they want. But here the thing is, I should know, like the buyer came from by seeing the pamphlet or by seeing the billboard. See, I cannot ask every customer, right, how they came. It's not good, right? It's not a good practice with the customer to maintain a good relationship. So, but I should know, because if maximum of the customers are coming to the shop by seeing the pamphlets, then the next time while I was spending money, I will buy more pamphlets than spending equal amount on billboards and pamphlets. So here comes the usage of digital marketing, right? Digital marketing, we can track each and everything. Like so, we can know exactly uh, how many people are coming from which source. Like if they are coming to our website through Facebook or through Instagram or through LinkedIn. And from the next time, we can focus on that particular area. So the number of sales will be increased. So that analytics and tracking is far better in digital marketing than traditional marketing. And next comes one of the important feature is lower cost. It's true, right? So to may like to arrange a offline billboard is very costly than compared to online digital campaign. So it's also lower cost and feasible and cheap. So everyone should try digital marketing at least once to market their products and compare the results with offline marketing and compare the costs. Then everyone will realize that digital marketing has more benefits and has less cost and then higher reach. It's obviously right. If offline marketing, the range is surrounded within the particular bounds, like in your area or in your city, because we cannot distribute pamphlets over all the world, right? It's not possible, right? So, but in digital marketing, it's not the case because if you purchase some ad campaigns in online, that ads can reach throughout the world. Like anyone can in the world can see that ad, and if they really like the product, they'll come on to the website and purchase. So it has a wider, vast range and reach than offline marketing. And the next is high scalability. It can be scalable very much, right? So it can be if particular uh, area is identified that this area is getting many more sales than other areas, then next term we are focusing on that area, and that can be scaled to maximum potential that a person can invest in the ads. So there's a high scalability for digital marketing, and then high flexibility with multiple opportunities. Like there are multiple opportunities in digital marketing. Like there are many platforms you can search. You can try YouTube ads, you can try Google ads, you can try website ads, you can try display ads, you can try voice marketing, you can try content marketing. There are hundreds of opportunities and hundreds of platforms where you can do digital marketing. So the more the paths, more the platforms, more is the feasibility to increase our online presence. So that's also one of the reasons for digital marketing, and that comes to end for this module. And today's module we learned about the main advantages of digital marketing and why we should do digital marketing over traditional marketing. So what are the major features? Why you should use that? So that's the basic thing we learned in this module. And the next module we're going to learn many things. So stay tuned for the next module. Sanjay Makala signing off.